People hold divergent views on the distinctive split headlight design of the 2024 BMW X7, but for those who can overlook it, they'll discover what we perceive as the ultimate full-size luxury SUV. While the X7's hefty starting price of almost $83,000 may be inconsequential to those with financial flexibility, affluent families seeking ample cargo space and a spacious third row will be disappointed, as these are not the X7's strong suits. Instead, it stands out with the most assured handling in its category and a range of impressive engines, spanning from the smooth 375 horsepower straight-six to the commanding 630 horsepower twin-turbo V8 exclusively featured in the ultra-luxurious Alpina XB7. Irrespective of the powertrain, all-wheel drive and an air suspension come standard, with the latter contributing to a ride akin to floating on a cloud, enhancing the overall tranquility of the cabin. The 2024 X7 goes beyond expectations with a plethora of cutting-edge features and genuinely opulent materials. After all, when you're dealing with the best, what else would you anticipate? Hot on the heels of its recent update in the preceding model year, the 2024 BMW X7 remains largely unaltered. While there are no substantial revisions, minor adjustments include the introduction of optional, crystal, headlights and an illuminated kidney grille. Notably, the BMW Driving Assistant Professional package has been enhanced to feature a semi-autonomous driving mode known as Highway Assistant. This mode enables hands-free driving on compatible roads, permitting speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. Despite our admiration for the impressive horsepower and exceptional performance of the twin-turbo V8, our recommendation leans towards the X7 xDrive 40i. This variant comes equipped with sought-after standard features such as 4-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, power-adjustable front seats with memory settings, heated front seats, and a power tailgate, among other amenities. To enhance the overall experience, we suggest opting for one of the Vanasca leather upholstery selections and considering the premium package, which incorporates a head-up display, gesture controls, and soft-close doors. The base-level X7 xDrive 40i is propelled by a turbocharged inline six-cylinder generating 375 horsepower, while the M60i boasts a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 churning out an impressive 523 horses. For the Alpina XB7, a specially tuned iteration of the V8 engine is in play, amassing a commanding 630 horsepower. All three engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and feature all-wheel drive. During our evaluation, the visually dynamic M60i model demonstrated remarkable acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.8 seconds. Not far behind, the xDrive 40i achieved the same speed in a respectable 4.6 seconds. Each X7 is equipped with an air suspension complemented by adaptive dampers, and the chassis can be further enhanced with optional rear-axle steering and active anti-roll bars, effectively minimizing body motions. These features come standard on the M60i, which boasts a sportier suspension setup by default. Despite its substantial size, the X7 surprises with agile handling, and its steering is both precise and well-balanced. While the smallest wheels measure 21 inches in diameter, BMW now offers 23-inch wheels for the first time. However, it's worth noting that opting for the larger wheels can impact the X7's ride quality. The 2024 X7 demonstrates optimal fuel efficiency when equipped with the standard inline-six engine. The xDrive 40i model, featuring this engine, achieved commendable EPA ratings of 21 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Opting for the V8-powered M60i model, however, entails more frequent visits to the pump, as it is rated at 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Interestingly, during our comprehensive testing, the M60i model surprised us with a 23 miles per gallon result on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route. For more detailed information about the X7's fuel economy, you can refer to the EPA's official website. Within the X7, the focal point of the dashboard is an expansive and subtly curved digital display. This impressive panel integrates a 12.3-inch gauge cluster for the driver and a 14.9-inch touchscreen that serves as the control center for the infotainment system. The interior exudes luxury, featuring amenities such as heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, and ambient interior lighting. Despite these premium touches, a notable inconvenience arises with the power-operated second-row captain's chair, which moves rather sluggishly when facilitating access to the third row. The rearmost seats, unfortunately, do not offer generous space for adults on extended journeys. Nevertheless, the X7 compensates with ample interior cubby storage, and while accommodating 3 carry-on suitcases behind the third row, it impressively accommodates a total of 33 suitcases with all the rear seats folded. The X7's iDrive infotainment system is facilitated by a 14.9-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the curved glass panel atop the dashboard. Beyond touch interaction, the system can be navigated using a substantial rotary knob positioned on the center console. Gesture controls are also an option, although they tend to be more of a novelty than a practical feature. Each X7 model comes with a Wi-Fi hotspot, albeit requiring a subscription. Additionally, the BMW Digital Key is available across the lineup, empowering users to remotely manage vehicle functions through a dedicated smartphone app. For those seeking an elevated audio experience, optional features include a more potent Harman Kardon stereo system, while wireless charging adds an extra layer of convenience to the array of available enhancements.